Hello there everybody, I'm Alexander and yes, you are tuned in to René of Paris, and today I want to compare some colours. And why do I want to compare colours with you? Because it's really important. It's really important because sometimes when we want a change for some people can be cutting ½ centimetre off. It can be putting a couple of highlights in, a couple of lowlights. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going from blonde to black or from long to short. So I wanted to compare some brunettes. So if you're brunette and you're thinking, you know what, I want to tweak it, I want to change it a little bit, but I don't want to go too far away from the brown family, then this is great. So I'm going to talk to you about these colours. Now, first off, this wig is Jackson. Jackson is just amazing. Love this mid-length long bob with layers. Just fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So I'm going to showcase all of these colours in Jackson to give us a fair test. So this one, which I have right here, is the ginger brown. Now, for all you hairdressers out there, this is around about a base 5 with gold, like a golden brown. And for me, although it's a ginger brown, it would be one of those lovely colours if you were brunette all the year through and you wear a nice cool brown in the summer, but you notice your skin tone changes in the winter. Ginger brown is great, really rich, really warm, very, very expensive looking brown. Love it. So that's Jackson ginger brown. So then moving on to this little Jackson here. So say for instance you've been wearing ginger brown for a while and you want to tweak it and change it. This would be great. This one is Java Frost. So if you look here on Java Frost, look at those highlights and lowlights. So we've got like a chocolatey base, we've got some undertones of warm, we've got these very nice icy creamy blonde lights, and guys, these are so hard to achieve. And honestly, hairdressers, anybody that can achieve these really creamy blondes in brunette without throwing off a ton of gold or brassiness or orange, you know, it's a real marvel, even for just a subtle colour. So that's Java Frost. So that would be a bit like this, few more highlights, lowlights, very interesting colour. Moving on now, we've got Jackson in Toasted Brown. Now the nice thing with Toasted Brown is you've got the richness, you've got the warmth, but you just have it elevated with these highlights running throughout. And the toasted highlights is probably, you know, they're like a mid-7, like a 7G, so a really nice warm golden blonde, absolutely lovely. Just put her there. And now last but not least, one of our tried and true, very, very popular browns, marble brown, ladies and gentlemen. Now marble brown is, if you imagine a marble effect, so a marble tile, okay? You've got ribbons of different colours in it, you've got different design in it. Marble brown's very similar. You've got marble ribbons running through of different browner tones. So essentially you're about a base 5 chocolate brown with these lovely kind of caramelly, beautiful kind of burnt toffee kind of cinnamony kind of lights running through, very finely taken, so it gives you a really nice texture. So that's the marble brown. Now, of course, we have oodles and caboodles of brunettes here at René of Paris. I've just featured 4 of my favourites and wanted to feature 4 that were very similar to highlight those differences if you do want a change, but a subtle change. This maybe give you some pointers. Okay, what do you think to the colours? Do you have a favourite? Let us know. If not, no worries. I'm Alexander. This is René of Paris, and I will see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.